back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make potatoes au gratin. It is my all-time favorite side dish. I absolutely love it, so follow along as I show you how to make it. You can use 4 large russet potatoes or 8 regular sized potatoes. You're just going to cut them into bite-sized pieces and put them into a bowl. Rub butter onto the bottom and sides of a 9x13 baking dish. And then pour your potatoes in. In a mixing bowl, combine heavy cream, milk, flour, salt, pepper, and 4 cloves of finely minced garlic. Whisk those ingredients together and pour over your potatoes. Cover it with foil and let it bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of baking, remove the foil and bake for another 20 minutes. Alright, it's been another 20 minutes. I like to stir my potatoes. And then check if they're fork tender. And they are definitely falling apart. The last step is just to add the shredded cheese. Once the cheese is melted, they're ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of our future videos. See you next time.